outskirts of Bankery in Aberdeenshire, as Kevin Keane reports.
The end of the line and the crane truck just ahead marks exactly that spot. But for the volunteers here, this marks a significant step in their plan to restore part of the Deeside railway. Just a tiny section of track has been laid here, but already a limited service is up and running.
We want to get from Belton and Graffys through to Bankery, and that will give us a reason for people getting off the train at the other end. And in Bankery, of course, there are well-known tourist attractions and facilities, cafes and so on. So we think this will be a real boon.
The track's already been secured. Until recently, these rails made up a siding just beside Aberdeen's main railway station. Now, a section at a time, they're being laid down to extend the length of this line.
This is the end of the operational section. We then move on to the next stage in the process, laying the sleepers down with the rails on top of them, and then we infill with a 2-inch size stone ballast, which is the next quarter mile, which will now take the finished track basically up to approximately just over the half mile.
It's more than a decade since these railway enthusiasts vowed to restore the line, combining fundraising with restoration work. But with the support of local people, they haven't let the grass grow beneath them for a second.
It's excellent. It's good that people take an interest in restoring these things. It's really nice, especially with the restaurants and the castle close by.
I think it's a lovely idea, especially for local children to get involved, to understand a bit more about local history.
I think it'll be a real boost to the local community, because everyone who's here today definitely loves it.
This is the first half mile and the line is creeping slowly towards Bankery, but it could be another 4 years before it finally reaches its ultimate destination, 5 miles from this starting point. Kevin Keane reporting Scotland, Deeside.